Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today I'll be sharing a dish called the Big Plate Chicken. It's really big. The dish first came out in Xinjiang region in China. Originally, it was just a spicy braised chicken. Later on, thick noodle were added in order to satisfy the hungry truck drivers. It became popular in other regions of the country later on. Instead of using a whole chicken, I'm using 4 pounds of chicken thigh here, with the bones. 2 to 3 scallions, 2 bell peppers, 1 red, 1 green, just for the color, 2 potatoes, 1 red onion, a few slices of ginger, half clove of garlic. For spices, I need a few bay leaves, 3 star anise, some Sichuan peppercorn, and some dried red chili cut up. For the noodle, I'm taking a shortcut. Instead of a hand-pulling biang biang noodle, I'm using pre-made thick noodle here. Altogether, there are about 8 pounds of ingredients going into this big plate chicken. To start, we need to first chop the chicken thigh into chunks. We're going to marinate the chicken with 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce for the coloring, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and about 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. Give the chicken some massage and let it marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Now for the rest of the ingredients, we're going to cut a few slices of ginger, chop the scallion into inch pieces, and cut the garlic into small pieces. For the vegetables like the bell peppers, onions, and potatoes, we're going to cut them into small chunks as well. For cooking, make sure your wok or pot is large enough to hold everything. We're going to heat up the wok first, add about 2 tablespoons of oil, add the ginger slices first, cook it for about 10 seconds to get the flavor out, then add the chicken. Slowly stir and fold the chicken around until all the meat surface are seared. Add 1½ tablespoon of spicy bean paste and mix in with the chicken. Then add the scallion and the garlic. Fold them in. And add all the dry spices. Mix everything together and then add enough water to cover the chicken. Put on the lid and cook the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavor, and then add the potatoes. Spread the potatoes around, then put on the lid to continue cooking. Cook the chicken and potatoes together for 5 minutes. Then add the red onion and bell peppers. Push the onion and bell peppers into the broth, put on the lid, and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Take off the lid, do the final stir and fold. Check to make sure everything is cooked, and the chicken and broth are ready. Don't forget to boil some water and cook the noodle in parallel while the chicken is cooking. For the final assembly, drain the noodles and lay them on the plate first. Spread them out evenly and pour the chicken and sauce on top. Make sure all the noodles can absorb some sauce. This size should feed 4 to 6 adults, which is a good all-in-one dish for a small family gathering. Hope you will enjoy this dish with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time. If you like our content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our weekly updates.